Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be trying to walk with Omi. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video up here. Here's a link to the video where I'm explaining how to do Omi movement. And then you can come back here and try to walk with it. However, Omi or not, our proper body posture doesn't change. So feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, open chest, long neck. And we had an Omi, so this kind of 3D movement. And when you're doing the Omi, you can feel inside your body that your body weight is changing. So once it's on the right, and then it changes to the left with every half of a circle. So when I'm starting from right to left, I'm on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left. It's not a big change, it's a slight change, little change, but you can feel it inside your body, and according to these shifts, you can it's really hot today, I cannot speak and I cannot think. You can move your feet in accordance to these changes. So when you're on the right, you can move your left feet. When you're on the left, of course, you can move your right feet. So all the movement is count by 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and with accordance to these changes, our feet work all the time. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it on spot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you're already doing this, you can move in any direction you imagine. The best way to start is just turning around your own body axis. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you want to make it faster, you also have to move your feet faster, always on a count of 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And let's try to do the same to the right, so from left to the right, and we've got the same story. So the body weight changes, and in accordance with these changes, I can move my feet from the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if I want to go faster, I have to also go faster with my feet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you got these changes in your body weight, you can move your feet on spot or around yourself. You can go wherever you want to. So you can go to the front because nothing changes. It's always the hip circle, the Omi, along with 2 steps. So the most important thing to remember is to really feel these changes of your body weight and work with them with Omi and with our feet, and this is how you walk with Omi. So if you like this episode and you've managed to walk with Omi, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts about this movement, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced content, some things connected with the culture, history, language, psychology, all Oriental dance related. Of course, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series on this YouTube channel, of course. And I'm also preparing during summer holidays something special when it comes to English tutorials, so stay tuned, and of course I will announce it in my videos on YouTube. And I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life and more. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!